How to use WhatsApp's Smart Reply AI features. Well, first things first, make sure you have updated your application to the latest version. Now remember that it is not available to everyone yet, the feature, it's getting rolled out slowly. However, WhatsApp has integrated AI-powered Smart Reply features primarily driven by Meta AI using LLaMA3, designed to make conversations faster and more efficient. So how you can use it? First things first, you can proceed to open up WhatsApp, right? Ensure that your app is updated to the latest version and then go to WhatsApp settings. Open up WhatsApp, head over to profile, and then you'll be on the settings. Once on the settings here, you'll be able to head to chats. Under chats, what you want to do is you'll find this list of options. You want to turn on private processing options. So as I mentioned, it is not available to everyone, but if you do it, see it here, make sure to enable it. Then what you can do is open any chat and tap the sticker icon in the message bar. Then tap the writing help icon that you should find. So all you got to do next is head over to chats. Once you head over to chats, you want to head over to the particular chat, and there you can proceed to select the stickers icon and you should find the edit AI option right here. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.